with me.
Boy, hello friends! Today we're going to learn about a very bouncy, beautiful letter. Can you guess which one? That's right, the letter B. Here it is! This is the big B, and here's the small b. Let's trace the letter together. Ready? Letter B make a sound like this. B, like a ball. Can you say it? B, ball. Great job! Let's find some words that start with B. B is for ball. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Ball bounces across screen. B is for banana. Yummy and sweet. Banana peels open. B is for bear. Big and fluffy. Bear waves. B is for bus. Beep, beep. Bus drives past with horn sound.
Let's play a quick game. I'm going to show you 3 pictures. You tell me which one starts with the letter B. That's right. Ball and banana start with B.
Today we learned the letter B. B for ball, banana, bear, and bus. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a letter B master. Bye-bye for now. And remember, B is the best.